Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2020 Husqvarna Svartpilen 701. This naked single-cylinder sport bike just arrived with only 32,000 miles. Really cool European design, naked, single-cylinder, fuel-injected, liquid-cooled. Come on by and make your Husky dreams come true. This gorgeous Svartpilen, we got it priced very low, sell quickly, only $29.99. This is a great deal. It's not going to be here long. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.